I'm not here to teach you anything for international speech contest because I have been part of many international speech contests, humorous contests, evaluation, and table topics. But I want to ask you one thing very seriously and tell me honestly, did you join Toastmasters or a Toastmasters club to win the contest? If you like to raise your hand, you can just tell me. Nobody, perhaps, except Hadayatullah. I know that you did not join Toastmasters just to win the contest, but to change your life, become a better communicator, become a better human being, or something else you got in your mind. Your somebody like a friend of yours must have insisted you to just go and enjoy, spend some time. There are some interesting people. They clap for nothing. Just go be part of it. And later somebody insisted you, hey, you speak very well. Your voice is very soothing. You have inspiring story. Why don't you just take part in international contest? Or the worst reason could be, oh, there is no participant. Can you just can you just participate in the club contest and give a chance? You may or you may not win. But for me, the best part of being a contestant is you are contributing something, you are taking part, you are contesting, you are participating. This is the best thing I can tell you all. There are 7 levels to become international speaker or world champion of public speaking in Toastmasters International. But how many of you have achieved 3 levels, 4 levels, 5 levels? Many of you have achieved already 4 levels or 3 levels. It's an achievement. But the best part was you started first. And I'm not here to tell you or encourage you to participate in international contest. I'm telling you very straightforward, very straightforward. You don't have to. It's not necessary. But what is necessary that you win your own heart being a Toastmaster. I have mentioned many a times in my speeches, in my education sessions, if this person who still doesn't know how to speak can become someone from no one, you are much, much better than this person. But you have to believe in yourself. Participation is the first key. Participate and don't expect to win because you did not join Toastmasters Club or Toastmasters International to win the contest. Winning a contest is nothing to me, honestly speaking. I'm telling you bluntly, very straightforward. Because I've seen people who became world champion of public speaking are doing nothing. I've been to international contest at the international convention twice. I've seen people over there doing nothing. This title makes you no one. But if you believe in yourself, you do something after this learning, that's where the game starts. That's what I picked, and I use this technique or this confidence or this learning into my real life. And now I'm using as a public speaker. I'm making videos. Confidently, I'm speaking in front of the audience, large audience, making videos, telling people who am I and what I want to tell the world. Right now, you are 16 in number. We are rather 16 in number. But when I record this session and I share on social media, it goes to millions. There are videos which have reached to millions of people. What are you doing with your public speaking? The contest you have won, the speeches you have delivered, did you record? Did you inspire more people? Or you just want to win this 20 dirhams worth trophy? I'm sorry, what is your target? Or you are just competing with your own fellow member and making him feel that I am better than you? Honestly speaking, international contest is not all about winning. It's about you win your own heart. You are able to express your feeling, the story you have lived in past, and now you are telling people this is what happened to me, and now make sure this should not happen to you. That's the whole idea of public speaking. So at least The best learning people can learn from you is they would not repeat the mistake you have committed or I have committed, I have made. So we are saving their lives, our generation's life. If one person's life is changed because of us, we are done. I can buy you from my own pocket 20 dirhams, 50 dirhams, 100 dirhams worth trophy. But my core intention to listen to your speech is if I'm getting something from you, value, feeling, connection, honesty, diligence, deliberation. What are you delivering to me as an audience member? I want to listen to you and remember you forever. Not that I'm clapping for you because you're my friend. One thing is just starting. Start and speak internationally. Why in our areas, or in our divisions, or in our districts, people have not reached to the top level quite often? Reason being, their content is not international. We call it international speech contest, but the content is regional. Content is our local. We are making people laugh for some very small jokes. That's not going to work. Speak on a bigger idea. If you're not going to win the trophy, you're going to win people's heart. Oh my God, this guy has got so big idea. Is he crazy? Is he serious about it? So this is what I always look for. That's the reason I just kind of taken resign from Toastmasters International Contest, because I don't feel value in it. But if you feel value, go participate and win your own heart only. Express, learn, and go make use of it. Maybe many senior of you are not agreeing with me, but I'm telling you the reality. You believe or not. When I listen to some education sessions, I ask them, "Sir, you have given me 7 points to win the international contest, but why have you not won yet?" I want you to ask the same question to myself. Amjad, you are educating us. What have you done about the things you are educating us? I can tell you with credibility that this is what I have achieved of the Toastmasters. I will not give you 5 points, 7 points agenda. Make this one and you will become an international speaker. Never. It will never happen. These are just cliches, but we use all around every single day. Use this, use this, use this, use this. If it was written, it was a formula, everyone would have won. But it's not the case. You have to connect with yourself, connect with your people. And before people, you have to connect with yourself. I always tell people if you want to win, one thing is you need to start with participation. And second thing, if you want to become international speaker, make sure you take your own judges with you. On a lighter note, if you are not able to make it, then don't try to win. Make your content bigger than people's life or your own life. I swear to God, you will win. You will win one day. If people will not like you or they will not like your confidence, and they will remember you for your brave soul, like your bravery. This guy spoke so big in front of such people, such number of audience. This is my request to you all. I repeat again, I don't want to tell you to participate in the international contest and do few things and win a cup or a certificate. It has no value. To me, it has no value, honestly speaking. I have so many. But if you are using your content to make people's lives, that is going to live forever as your legacy. I want you to win my heart. And why I'm telling you my heart? Because I know myself. If I'm sitting in your audience, I need to listen to you with value. I need some value which you are speaking. If it's not valuable, then why should I listen to you? Why should I listen to the same, uh, why do you call light jokes? Speak something big. People who go different way, they're always path makers or pathfinders, and they leave the legacy. Otherwise, there are many Toastmasters I have met personally. I just want to tell you, I've gone to physically 27 countries and virtually more than 50 countries as of now. I've seen people, they speak so well, but people don't know them. People don't know them. Reason? They have fear. How would I look like? How would people perceive me? Do I look good? Do I speak good? Do I sound good? It's not your business. I tell people it's none of my business if you think I'm just doesn't sound good. I did not make my sound. I did not make my face. I did not make anything of mine. But one choice I have got in my life is to giving a try. That's what I'm trying. So please participate and don't expect to win, but make sure you are expressing your values out. People should remember you. Oh my God, Hadayatullah spoke so connecting. I cannot forget. And whenever they will meet you, they will tell you, hey, remember, do you know me? Oh no, I heard your speech other day. This is how people will remember you. People will remember you. I've gone to many places. They have said, this is what we are learning from you. Not everyone says you speak so good, but people say, Amjad, your persistence, your passion, the unstoppable attitude is something admirable. So it's all right. Some people like you because you speak so good. Some people like you because you are seriously abnormal. And this is, for me, a compliment. What is compliment for you? Only just winning, taking part, taking trophy home, taking couple of pictures with your friends, and that's it. Night gone, life ends. It should not happen. So my request, I plead you all, wherever you participate, international, humorous, evaluation, or table topics. Be persistent. Bring your genuine story out. Inspire people and record it. Live that story. People will remember you. I repeat once more again. I've been to international conventions. I've seen people who are international champions. People don't know them. People don't know them. But if you want to be remembered, remember for your content, remember for your intention, remember for your deliberation. As Iram mentioned right now, it was not. It sounds very good when people praise, and that's the whole intention I got. So I cannot give back to Toastmasters National. Wherever I go, I speak about Toastmasters. I tell about, but this is my life-changing program, and I cannot live without Toastmasters. Wherever I go, I speak about it. I live Toastmasters. I eat Toastmasters. I wear Toastmasters. Why? Because it's a life changing program only if you use it wisely, use it seriously, use it to the core. If you think you're a member, it will never change anybody's life. I have seen members who are 20 years old, 30 years old, 40 years old, but still they are struggling because they are not consistent. So please, if you are consistent in your values with Toastmasters, be it international speech, evaluation, table topics, are humorous. Be consistent. One day you will win. If you are feeling that you won your heart, you are changing every single day. You have seen yourself different than 1 month ago or 1 year ago. I swear to God, that's your real win. That's your real win. Please, I implore you. I request you, because my Toastmaster Club is very close to me. If you win, I would be even more happier than you. But participate not for the sake of winning a trophy. Just participate and prepare and deliver and express your life and impress people. People will feel connected. Don't try to make it very complicated story. Make it simple, because simple things are always connecting. I'm not here to educate you. I'm here to just share my experience, as I mentioned. Make your content international. Speak for people, not for yourself. Because international means you are speaking for the people, you are speaking for the culture, you are speaking for the countries without biasness. That's your life. Own it. If you want to be remembered by one culture, speak for one culture. If you want to be remembered by one family, speak for that family. If you want to be remembered by one country, speak for one country. If you want to be remembered by one religion, speak for that one religion. If you want to speak remembered by every single person on this planet, Hereafter, you go from this planet, speak for humanity, speak for people, speak from your heart, speak for nature. That's going to live forever. That's the reality. People say, are you religious? I tell them, no, I'm trying to be realistic because nature is final. Nature is perfect. We can try being perfect. We can try achieving excellence, but we cannot be perfect. If you want to be perfect, you need to die. That's a perfect place to rest in peace. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it was quite boring. It was quite uh, kind of philosophical, kind of, you can say that. But this is me because I want to tell you what I have experienced. I don't want to educate you for something, educate something which I have not lived, I have not experienced, and I tell you, and tomorrow it's not happening in your life. It's not making sense at all in your life. So please participate and be consistent. If you are consistent, tomorrow your values are going to be paid back. I want to see our champion, to our president, Mr. Adnan, to participate as a president and lead from the front. Sometimes people say presidents should not because they should lead the team. But I want to see another champion speech from Toastmaster Dayatullah. I want to see Wafa Khan coming and inspiring people with full energy. I want to see Toastmaster Iram smashing all screens where people are watching. I want to see our Dr. Amra inspiring people from her beautiful and intriguing stories. I know that you guys can do it. But again, winning a trophy is not something your target should be, but winning your own soul, your own heart, and becoming someone you have never even imagined. Thank you so much. Stay blessed wherever you are. Please connect with yourself first before you connect other people. Thank you.